This whole unit has been about systems. And the last section within this unit is going to be systems of inequalities. We've talked about systems in terms of equations with elimination, substitution, and graphing. And we've already done graphing just one inequality, but a system of inequalities means that I'm going to be graphing two different inequalities on the same graph. And this could limit me to a certain area. So, for example, I could have y is less than or equal to 4, and my other inequality could be y is less than 2/3 x plus 1. So what this means is that I would have to graph the first inequality and then graph the second inequality on the same graph. So with the first one, I'm going to color that green. For you guys, this is where I would suggest using 2 different colors or 3 different colors, depending on the number of inequalities that you have. It's a little bit easier to distinguish between the two. So because I've got a y equals 4 as a graph, I go to the 4 spot and I have, in this case, a solid line. Sorry, I should have my steps here. So because it's a y, we know it's a horizontal line. I don't have a slope, so I just know it's going to be a horizontal line. Step 2, though, is going to be solid. Step 3, we're going to shade below. So everything in the shaded area. Then with the blue one, the nice thing is that both of these were already in the form of y equals mx plus b, so I didn't have to rearrange anything. So on this first one, I'm going to plot 0, 1. Second step, I'm going to have my slope of 2/3, so I can go up to right 3, or down to left 3. I'm going to have a dashed, and I'm going to shade below. So I've got that 0, 1 plotted. I'm going to go up to right 3. Because you guys know this is how I work, I like to go all the way across the graph, so I'm going to go down to left 3, and I said that wrong. Down to left 3, and the first one was up to right 3. I'm going to have a dashed line, and I'm going to shade below. So what this tells us is that anything within the realm that meets along this line and below is considered a solution, because this is where it's double shaded. You could have an instance where it could be triple shaded or 4 times shaded. It just depends on how many inequalities you're looking for. Remember that with the system, a system, in order for it to be a solution to the system, it has to meet all of your inequalities or all of your equations. So it must be less than 4 or equal to 4, and it must meet this criteria here. So that's how we do our systems of inequalities.